Today's drink is Ugu Smoothie. Here are the fresh Ugu leaves I'll be using for this vegetable smoothie. While I am separating the leaves, just like I do in all my videos, I would like to tell you to please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button so that you can get notified when I upload my simplified weekly videos. Thank you so much. So, I would like to tell you the usefulness and the benefits of Ugu Smoothie. It is rich in antioxidants, it balances the hormones, it improves blood production, it promotes fertility, and is even good for weight loss. So now that I have separated the leaves, what I'm going to be doing is I will cut the leaves into pieces so that I can make the smoothie easily. While I'm cutting the leaves, let me quickly ask you, have you subscribed yet? Thank you so much for making me happy. I should also tell you that you can choose to cut the leaves into big chunks or small sizes. So I'm going to be showing you the two sizes I cut my leaves into. Oh, you can hear the cock crow. I'm making this smoothie early in the morning because I love to enjoy it very early in the morning. My apologies. So here are the two sizes. These are the big chunks. You can see it's quite big. And these here are the small chunks. Yes, yeah. Or small sizes, not really chunks, small sizes. I will pour some of the leaves into my blender. So after pouring the leaves into my blender, I'll be adding water. Because I have cut the leaves into small pieces, I'll be adding enough water to cover the leaves so that it can blend easily and I can get the best out of my vegetables. Now I'm just simply going to blend the vegetables until it is a bit smooth. Just like you see, I have gotten a big bowl, so I'm going to be pouring in the blended mixture into the big bowl. You need something big to avoid having a messy kitchen. I'm going to put in the remaining vegetables and I'll repeat the process just like I did earlier. Don't mind me, I like to clean as I work in the kitchen. I don't like to have a messy kitchen. So now I'm going to pour water, of course, just the normal process. I'll pour water, enough water to cover the vegetables, and I'll blend. Now that I am done blending, I'm going to pour everything in a bowl. As you can see, it's quite a lot. So this is the end product, and I'm going to be getting a very big bowl as well. This is my cheesecloth. You can use a sieve, but I prefer to use a cheesecloth. So I'm going to be covering my bowl with a cheesecloth and I'll just make sure it sits properly. After which I'll pour in all the mixture. As you can see, it's big enough, so it helped me avoid having grain all over the place. Now we are at the part of the process where we really need to be gentle and just do it gently, no rush to get the best. I'm going to begin to squeeze my cheesecloth to get out the vegetable juice. I'll be squeezing gently so that nothing is spilling, nothing is wasting, and I'm getting the best of my vegetables. As you can see, the vegetable juice is coming out in a steady manner. So I'll squeeze until liquid doesn't come out anymore. Gently squeezing. Don't forget, gently squeezing. Now that I am done squeezing, I will be showing you what the chaff looks like. Let me untie or free up the chaff so that I can show it to you. As you can see, this is what the chaff looks like. Some people still go ahead to cook with the chaff. They cook Egusi or a roll. But for me, I just like to throw away the chaff because I feel I have taken out all the nutrients that I need from it already. Now I'll be showing you the 3 ways to enjoy this smoothie. Yes, you can drink it plain, just pour it in a cup and just drink it, enjoy it. The second way is to enjoy it with full cream evaporated milk. Yes, full cream evaporated milk. This process or this method is what I use when I really need to sleep. I mean that deep sleep. I just pour in the evaporated milk, I drink the smoothie at night, and then I have a lovely sleep. The third way is to add non-alcoholic, no sugar malt drink. Yes, you can use any malt drink, just add it. For this method, I like to drink it in the afternoon when I feel like taking something a little bit sweet. So I add my malt drink and mix properly, and then I drink it up. So here are all the 3 variants for Ugu Smoothie. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. Thank you.